Yeah, hi guys. So anyway, I'm vlogging in the public. Not technically vlogging because I'm like on top of a car park right now. I'm taking some portraits with my best friend, a good friend of mine, and yeah. So I'm at a car park. So the real reason why I'm up here is because we're gonna today remake some watchdog shots. Yeah, that's why. Anyway, just waiting for my. I'm gonna shoot through here. I'm just waiting for my friend to come and. Hey, where are you? Here. Where are you? Okay, alright. Okay, let's go. Piece of shit. Okay, alright, I'm back from that watchdog team photo shoot. Alright, vlogging. Okay, so right now, okay, let me just change angle so to speak to you guys. I don't want to be holding this camera and just talking, it's so heavy. Okay, let me just show you guys the pictures I've edited. Okay, good to be back on my usual setup. Alright guys, I'm back. I've edited the photos. Alright, so let me just show you guys the photos. Okay, so basically this whole experience, like as in like the watchdog team photo shoot, like I've wanted to do it for a long time now, and I have had like discussed with my friend for a week or so right now, and I'm just happy that we finally did it, and I managed to edit the photos, and man bro, okay, I'm excited to show you guys. It's so it turned out better than I thought it would. Like the photo shoot, considering it's like the first time, like Watchdog was one of my favorite games as childhood games childhood game. I think it was like teenage game. As I was like growing up, I just play Watchdog a lot, and so like to be able to remake a Watchdog picture was like just wow. It's like so awesome. Alright, so of course, so in the end, I was trying to go for this look. I was trying to go for, of course, the way Watchdog is hacking. So Watchdog is known for hacking. So you have the lines to show that the phone is hacking and stuff, and the mask and everything. So that's what I researched and learned from the Watchdog wallpapers and poster. So I tried to remake that. So in the end, I managed. Drum rolls, please. Okay. My dad just interrupted. Alright. So in the end, the watchdog picture I got was, drum rolls, please. Then I don't know why this talking to the camera thing is a bit something to get used to. Like since I'm just like, these are like my first few videos. Well, like I don't think it will get much views, but I will call this my practice videos. But yeah. So anyways, well, I was like, okay, my dad interrupted me, but yeah, okay, let me continue. So in the end, drum rolls please. This was the end shot. 1, 2, 3. Alright, this was the shot I came up with in the end, and damn, it looks alright. It looks good. I'm happy with it, and it took like, I think it was like draft 1, 2, 3. It took like 5 drafts like to end up with this. So at first I was like, okay, you know what's the funny thing or not? I've been using Photoshop for a long time, but ended up realizing, freak, how do I draw lines in Photoshop? So I ended up searching on YouTube, how do I draw lines in Photoshop? Like, as much as I know how to use the advanced, I don't know why I know how to use the advanced tools like the pen tool, the stamp tool, the clone stamp tool and all that, but I didn't know how to draw a line in Photoshop, so that's what I learned about myself. So in the end, I managed to find out how to draw a line in Photoshop. So that's that. Okay, so basically the lines I try to make it as like real, like thin as possible. Not too thin, but still visible to the eyes to showcase the hacking from the phone. Then in the end, like I changed the lamp. I remember because the lamp at first it was like very fluorescent, very yellowish, like, and it was like it stood out a lot from the subject. So I was like, okay, let's just black and white it. So I changed the color of the yellow to black and white with Photoshop. I added in the drone to show to put in some element. I would say more life into the picture, and like of course I put in the square boxes to show that the phone is targeting the drone, the lamp, and like the window area there to that is hacking and it's trying to tell a story that the drone is seeing the like maybe the killer through the window or something along that line. That's what I'm trying to go with. But I end up realizing that like people, not all of my followers will know about Watchdog, or like I don't want people to like when they see my photo, right, be like thinking about what the freak is this. Like I don't want people to think that. I want them to like, I don't know how to snap. Why don't I? Okay, I want people to be like at first look be like, oh okay, this is a picture of a guy hacking a phone. Like even if they don't know Watchdog, they must know that this guy is hacking something, right? So that's why I put a loading bar near the phone, underneath the phone, to show that this guy is hacking. And plus, oh yeah, I also forget to mention the mask. Oh my god, it came out great. Like the mask at first it had nothing. I just bought a cheap ass black mask from a convenience store in Jurong Point. Then the mask I just asked him to wear, and like the way I placed the logo was just like I just found it on Google, just freaking like use the Photoshop just to maneuver the logo around the mask just to fit in just nicely with the mask. So I'm just happy with the mask. Even my friend, the model, said, oh my god bro, the mask looks good. Then I'm like, yeah, it does look legitimate, right? So I'm happy with that. So in the end, yeah, it was a fun experience. Like the whole day was fun. I managed to practice my B-rolls. Like I hope you guys enjoy the journey, man. Like the starting part of this video, right, it wasn't actually that easy to make, and I would like to salute all the YouTubers that does this as a living and does video making as a living. To be honest, it was tiring, but at the same time it was fun, and it was at the end, like once I upload this video, I bet I'll be happy with it. I think it's one of my best videos so far. Like this is my latest video, and I'm just happy that I'm practicing and making videos out of what I like to do, which is photography. Right, so hope you guys like the Watchdog shot for this video episode. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the future video. And I think in the next video I'll try to do tutorial. You know, why not, right? Okay, so see you guys in the next video, and make sure to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!